nyo yung verse,
Ayan na si
Mr. Speaker,
Idol
Your Honor,
Marcoleta.
na sinasabi na malaya lamang ang isang nag-asawa at mapuputol lamang yung bond of marriage kapag patay na ang isa sa kanila.
Kaya niya.
What if I am able to show you
Yan.
a particular biblical phrase?
Yan.
Will you withdraw your sponsorship, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor?
Show it now.
Yun. Yan.
What is the answer, Mr. Speaker?
Please show it now.
Ako, mapapahiya to.
A few moments later.
Will the sponsor, Mr. Speaker, be gracious enough to give me a little time because wala po palang
Putik.
internet dito sa loob. Kasi po yung aking notes nandun sa aking planner, nandun sa opisina ko, pakukuha ko lang sana. Sumama na nga po yung napakaraming tao na sinasabi ko,
Okay.
i-give up natin ang KIG. Mr. President, kahit kailan hindi ko sinabi yun.
Wala naman palang
A
sinabi.
few moments later.
Ang gawin natin po para madali, i-give up natin yung KIG.
Baka yan.
Litigation lawyer. Wala pa po akong nakitang isang unanimous decision. Ewan ko lamang po kung merong magbo-volunteer ngayon na abogado in the last
Wala
40
yan
years
sigurado eh. Si Senator
na
Marcoleta
sinasabi
nagsabi.
ay isang unanimous decision under miraculous circumstances, sinabi ng Supreme Court, we are all reversing ourselves.
Pag
A
unanimous
few
daw, wala
moments
reverse.
later.
Wala yan,
Sagot dun sa
sigurado.
tanong ng gentleman mula sa Tarlac, that in fact, the Supreme Court has reversed a unanimous decision in a lot of instances before. Dalawa lang po ang ibibigay kong halimbawa. League of Cities of the Philippines versus COMELEC. Original decision, 2008. Reversal on motion for reconsideration, 2009. Isa pa pong halimbawa, International Service for the Acquisition of Agri-Biotech Applications, Inc. o ISAA et
Masyado
al.
pahiyain.
versus Greenpeace
Senator
Southeast
Risa,
Asia.
masyado- yung idol ko,
Original
pinapahiya
decision,
mo eh.
unanimous, December 8, 2015. Reversed unanimously on MR din, July 26, 2016.